just gonna massage this in, put a plate on top to keep it covered, keep it all submerged, and then we'll be back to this in 6 hours. Alright, now this is the third time I've rinsed it. I'm gonna drain it one more time. So garlic, ginger, onion. It's only 3/4 of an onion, 10-12 cloves of garlic. Then we've got green onions, daikon, and the rinsed cabbage. Add a little bit of sweetener. You can use white sugar. This is sugar substitute. Starts with an S. Then last, shrimp paste. It's basically little salted shrimps. Alright, so this is it. So we're gonna just add that. Onion, ginger, garlic, fish sauce, and really the best way to do this is just with your hands. If it's not looking quite red enough, you can add a little more chili flake. I like mine a little bit spicier, but however you like it. This is smelling pretty good though, right off the bat. Alright guys, that's kimchi the easy way. Also, if you buy this much chili flake, keep it in the fridge because it'll mold. Alright guys, until next time, take it easy, enjoy the kimchi. Don't forget to like and subscribe.